How to create a company in Tally? You just open Tally first. Press escape once. See the options, create company, that is your company info. Look at the left hand side, gateway of Tally, current period, current date, list of selected companies, name of the company, date of last entry. Now everything is empty. And here come down, you can see the calculator, ODBC server, and here control N and control M, your language. Press escape twice, your keyboard, select whatever language you want, escape twice. Look at the underline here. In general, if you observe anything in red color, you can press the color directly. For example, a create company C is in red color, you can press C enough. Whereas something underlined, like here L underline, K underline, and H underline, something underlined, you press the concerned letter with the help of Alt. So Alt L for language. Press escape twice. So control N and control M. You just observe, I am pressing control N. Look at the bottom part, calculator, ODBC server and control N is activated and control M is deactivated. You just observe this. So this is the calculator area where you can do some sort of calculations. Any type of calculations you want to perform, you can perform like that. And control M to the top. On the right hand side, you have F1, select company, and down F12, configure. If you clearly observe, F11 features is not highlighted. You just press F1 and see what happens. Select company. As we don't have any companies here, no companies are displayed. If you have created companies, the list of companies will be displayed and you need to select any one particular company and to work with. Press escape. Now we'll try to create company. In this session we are learning how to create a company in Tally. Press enter key, you see the company creation screen in a clear way. Try to observe each and every option. Directory, the area where your data will be stored. And before giving this directory, you need to check where Tally is stored in your desktop or laptop. The path. In my system, it is in G drive. So you change the drive to G Tally/data and press enter key or down arrow. It is asking name of the company. So give some name and press enter key or down arrow. It is asking mailing name and address. You can type the address. I am skipping here, but you have to type the address because you need some mailing address for correspondence. And look at this option, statutory compliance for and the list of countries on the right hand side. You select any one of the country, press enter key. State, You have list of states available on the right hand side. Select any one state. Let it be some. If you press A, all the states starts with A are highlighted. Out of that, using arrow marks, you can select your own pin code, telephone number, email ID. You fill everything. And your currency symbol in India is RS, rupees. Maintain. There are two options here, type of company: accounts only, accounts with inventory. If you are dealing with inventory, then select accounts with inventory. If you are not dealing with any inventory type things, you select only accounts only and press enter key. Financial year from, change that year, and books beginning. We didn't make any changes here, but automatically whatever changes there in financial year are copied here. 142020 2020. There is no rule that the financial year from and books beginning from must be the same. If I start the transactions, books beginning from means from where you start the transactions. There is no rule that always once a company is created and you are supposed to start the transaction. This transaction may start after later some time. So if that is a different date, you can change the date here. Otherwise, let it be the same. So tally password if any, and look at the warning there. Forgetting your tally wall password will render your data unusable. So if you give something, don't forget the password. And use security control. No, I am giving S and check what happens. It is asking name of administrator and password repeat, and use tally audit features no. So I'm just going back and giving no. And the bottom part is base currency information, and your base currency symbol is RS, formal name is Indian rupees, and number of decimal places is 2 only. After dot we take only 2 decimal places. 99 pice is the highest. After 99 pice it is 100, that is 1.00, 1 rupee. Is symbol suffix to amounts. Prefix means adding before, RS adding before, and suffix is after. Here it is no. If I make it X means it will be suffixed. And symbol for decimal portion is paise. And show amounts in millions is no, as we don't use the term millions and billions in India. We use lakhs and crores. If you want S, you can use S. Put a space between amount and symbol, yes. And decimal places for printing amounts in words is 2. So just fill all the things and keep on pressing enter key or down arrow. It is asking accept yes or no. Either you can press enter key or you just simply press Y. Now the company is created, and look at the changes on the screen clearly. Gateway of tally, current period 142020 31/3/2021, and current date. List of selected companies I and Co. No vouchers entered. So what are the options in Gateway of Tally? Masters. In Masters, accounts info. In transactions, accounting vouchers. In import of data. In reports, we have balance sheet, profit and loss account, ratio analysis, and display, and quit. On the right hand side, you just observe F1 select company, F1 with underline shut company, F2 date, F2 with underline period, F3 with underline company info, and F11 features, and F12 configure. We'll see the things on the right hand side. Just press F1, what happens? List of companies which are created already. Out of that you select whatever you want to open. I am just giving escape. And Alt F1, as I told you, anyone with underline, use Alt key. Alt F1. Shut company. Look at the right hand side part, the company is closed. Left hand side. Name of the company. Here, list of selected companies, name of the company, it is closed. And now observe the changes on the right hand side. In company info, again select a company. Either you just press S or enter key. Select company and I am taking Sai and Co. You are back to Gateway of Tally. So now press F2 and see. F2 is current date. Just press escape to go back twice. And Alt F2. And we want to make a changes. You want to change the period from and to, use this. Escape twice. And Alt F3. Company info. In company info, what are the options you have? Select company, shut company, create company. You want to make any changes? At the time of creating company, you made some mistake like wrong pin code or wrong email ID or wrong address. Go to alter and make necessary changes if you want to make. Using alter. Look at the thing there, company alteration. Look at the thing here, company alteration. So I am not making any changes, simply escape once, twice, thrice, and again 2 times. And again I am giving escape here. Back to Gateway of Tally. And what happens if you press F11? We'll be discussing F11, F12 in detail later. F11 is company features. In this you have accounting features and statutory and taxation. Simply press escape once, back to Gateway of Tally. And F12 is configuration, which in detail we'll be discussing. Configuration, and just press escape. Now we'll just simply observe what are the options means, what are the things available in Gateway of Tally. First, accounts info. In accounts info, we have groups, ledgers, voucher types, and quit. And click on groups, single and multiple. Create, display, alter. This is your first session, which I am giving the overview of company creation and what are the options available in Gateway of Tally. So I am just pressing escape once, twice. Look at accounting vouchers. Voucher creation, you are supposed to do it here. And before starting Tally, you try to recall your things in accounts knowledge. So how to create a balance sheet, trial balance, P&L account, what is the difference between net profit and gross profit, what is ledger, what is voucher, and etc. So we are not creating any voucher here, we are just observing a thing. So press escape once and twice. Import of data. In this you have masters and vouchers. Escape once. Balance sheet. So liabilities and assets. You are supposed to enter ledgers and you are supposed to create vouchers. Tally automatically gets you the balance sheet, P&L account, and everything. Escape, P&L account, escape, ratio analysis. So here you have a list of current assets, current liabilities in detail. Escape and display. In this you have trial balance, day book, everything. Now you are in gateway of Tally. You just come out of, you want to come out of Tally, simply press escape and quit, yes or no. So in this session, we just learned how to create a company and what are the options available on the gateway of Tally. Select company, shut company, changing date and changing period, and company info. These are the things what we learn in our session 1.